Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and you're going to be surprised when I open this box today. I was shopping on eBay. Oh, gosh, I've been shopping a lot on eBay, haven't I, babe?
Yeah.
I've got some box openings coming. I've got some dolls sitting, waiting
For their turn.
for their turn. When I say they're in line, they are literally lined up in order. I have a wrist injury. Let me see if I can get that. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. So I bought this on eBay because I need it. And they sent it.
This is not a want. This is a need.
This is a need. There's a difference. You know, sometimes I just want a doll. This one I needed. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, I'm excited. I couldn't believe I found her. And did I make an offer for this one, Darren, or was she just really inexpensive? I can't remember. I bought a Coco body that is not the clickable. This is the older body, but it is absolutely perfect because I have chaos heads that I want to, let's check that foot. It's kind of funny. Probably me. Oh, it's kind of funny. There we go. She's fine. And I have chaos heads that are going to need a body, and I've got a lot of floating heads, and I'm doing, collabs. I've got that Easter collab coming, and if you're interested in joining in, it is, Darren is printing, I should have brought some. Darren is printing heads, boobs, and hands in and caps and eye cradles in Easter colors, and we're going to do an Easter egg color Smart Doll custom. All right, let me see if I don't think that she came with a stand, but I sure didn't think she'd come in a Smart Doll box. Darren was out of town when she came, and we had stopped the mail. It was supposed to get really bad weather. Luckily we did not. No, there's no stand. But we didn't get the weather, but it was supposed to come in really ugly. And our mailbox is quite away from our house, so we stopped the mail, and he came out with this. I'm like, did you buy me a Smart Doll? And he started laughing. No, I believe you bought that one. So there she is. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
It'll be really nice for you, babe. Just one less floating head.
Yeah.